with a halogen turn signal bulb. We'll show you how to get rid of this terrible halogen bulb. You can only get LEDs, full LED lights on the Lariats, but they also have the performance LEDs, not the reflectors here. But we'll show you how to change that and make it look better. Here we have a quick rundown on the Lasfit website. So you select bulbs, and then you select the bulb size. They have like every bulb known to mankind on here, as you can see. So you just go down and select the correct one that you need for your application. In this case, we need the 7440. They have a couple different variants. They have a switchback one. That would be for a dual filament bulb. They have a couple switchback ones. And then they just have a regular amber one, as you can see. So these are the ones that I got here. And they fit a couple different applications, a couple different part numbers. You get two bulbs. This is the T3 series. And of course, they have a site-wide code you can use. And you can also use our code also for 15% off. Here's a quick little reference guide to show what they fit. Little rundown on them, you know, halogen versus their Lasfit bulbs, a couple example photos. They show 500% brighter than halogen, which I agree they are brighter. I don't know about 500%. 99% vehicle error free, which I definitely agree with that 100%. There was no errors on mine at all. 5-minute install, give or take, you know, your application, what you're putting it in. I would say, you know, some are shorter, some are longer. There's absolutely no need for resistors, and there's no fans at all. I will definitely attest to that. It is definitely IP68 waterproof. Here's a quick product view, a couple of different shots of the bulb. Here's a couple more with, you guessed it, by the beginning of the video, we got Lasfit's LED bulb replacements. Now these bulbs are pretty awesome. They're a DC 12 volt, they're CAN bus ready.